Hi guys, welcome to Fix Cruise Limited. Today we are operating on Biasi River Plus combi boiler. The hot water wasn't coming fully on, it was going hot and cold, hot and cold. Then I investigate, the heat plate was blocked, so it was quite hard to take it out. Make sure you don't hurt yourself like I did. So there were some sharp spikes inside and outside. It's a bit hard to put your hand on that screw behind the pump. So for that, of course, this is the flow sensor for the hot water. You need to pull it out. Then you have got a little Allen key. Usually comes with IKEA wardrobes. So you can just put it at the back and open it. And the other one is right there. There's a little space for the screw, which I took out here. So take it out, have a clean wash with the spirit of salt and put it back. Then bravo, they're gonna have a hot water. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And of course, when you're pulling the heat plate out, there is no space from the bottom or from the top. You have to take the actuator out and move the pressure sensor to the side. You can pull it out from there. Yep. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.